In the Time module, you will be able to see your calendar, that of your team and your activities. One of the main features of Workdeck is that the calendar is integrated with the My Tasks module, and you can access them from the left side menu. To start working on any of them, you can drag them into the calendar to select the working day and time. As we mentioned in Tutorial 6, you can also select the working time through the timer. It is important to remember that any adjustments you make to your calendar will be synced to the Gantt. You can configure your calendar to view it by day, week, or month. To create an event on your calendar, select the time frame you wish and click it. Here you can create an event, and if you want, you can associate it with a project. The event can be linked, or not, to a particular project, and it will also be synchronized with the Gantt. The calendar is synchronized with Google, Microsoft, and other video call platforms, so you can access them directly from Workdeck. To access the agenda of someone on your team, search for it or click on the name and you will see it integrated into your calendar. By selecting the Calendar Details tab, you will be able to see a weekly summary of your projects. Done. From the calendar, you can keep track of the time spent on each project.